Hello friends, welcome to Recipes Old and New. Today we are going to make chocolate cake. It is very easy to make and super delicious. Let's get started. To start, we need a baking tray and a butter paper sheet. First we have to make the baking tray ready to bake the cake. For that I have to cut the paper according to the size of the tray. Then grease the tray properly with white oil or butter. And set the paper inside the tray. Once again, grease the placed butter paper with butter or oil so that the cake comes out easily from the tray after baking. Keep it aside and go for the next process. First sieve 2/3 cup of maida, 1/3 cup of cocoa powder, 1 teaspoon of baking powder and a pinch of salt. Sieving helps proper mixing of the dry ingredients and facilitates to make the cake fluffy. Now keep the mixture aside. Let's make powder of 1 cup of sugar with the help of a mixer grinder and keep aside. Before going to the next step, let's preheat the oven. Set the temperature at 180 degrees centigrade and the time to 10 minutes. During this period, we will complete the next step. Take 3 eggs in a large bowl and beat with the help of an electric beater or hand beater until the eggs become fluffy. Now add powdered sugar gradually to the egg mixture while beating. Continue beating until the sugar thoroughly mixes with the eggs. Add half cup of white oil or 50 grams of butter as per your choice and beat until it becomes creamy. Now add 1 teaspoon of vanilla essence and beat for some time. Then add the maida mixture to the egg mixture and mix it with a spatula by cut and fold method until it becomes a smooth batter with a pouring consistency. Now pour the batter into the previously prepared baking tray and sprinkle handful of chopped cashew nuts or any nuts of your choice on the top. Put the baking tray inside the preheated oven. Set the temperature 180 degrees centigrade and time 30 to 35 minutes depending upon the type of oven. When the baking is over, bring out the baking tray and insert a tooth or foot pick into the cake to check proper baking. If nothing sticks to the pick, the cake has been properly baked. Otherwise, you will have to bake the cake for 3 to 4 minutes more. Keep it in an open space for some time. Now the cake is ready to serve. Enjoy it with a hot cup of tea or coffee. If you enjoy the video, Do share it with your friends and family. Give a thumbs up. Subscribe our channel Recipes Old and New. Press the bell icon to get the notification of our new videos. Write your comments on the comment box. Until next time, this is Recipes Old and New. Namaskar.